Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class, that is English for grade 4. We are learning unit 5. Its title is Nature's Way. My dear fellow teachers, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation, worksheet links are given. You may click it, download it, follow it as it is, or modify it for your convenience. I am going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Yes, my dear students, today under the title of writing, we are going to learn how to fill in the speech bubbles. Before this, in English for grade 3, we have done the same activity almost, how to fill in the speech bubbles. I hope you remember. If not, you may watch this video lecture again. And we are going to learn further to write short text in speech bubbles and cartoon strips using vocabulary, tone, style of expression appropriate to the communicative purpose and context, and classify items, for example, vocabulary required for a given task or topic. These are our today's SLOs. Let's start with the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah mentions in Quran, Surah Al-Anbiya, verse 33, and it is He who created the night and the day and the sun and the moon. All heavenly bodies in an orbit are swimming. Yes, my dear students, what this beautiful verse is telling us, first of all, it is telling us that day, night, and all the heavenly bodies, everything has been created by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. There is only one creator, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And secondly, better when we read this verse, even in Arabic or in English, the tone of this verse is authoritative. This verse is telling us the authority of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, that on everything the ultimate power is Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So it means in writing we can express different type of feelings and different type of expressions, right? This is what we are going to learn today. First, you tell me, what do you know about tone of a topic and what is speech? Pause the video, answer these questions to your teacher, and then come back. Yes, my dear students, I hope you could answer correctly that tone of the topic refers to an author's use of words and writing style to convey his or her attitude towards a topic, right? So whatever topic we are writing about, the way when we speak something about something, through our words we express. But when we are not speaking and we are writing, again there is style, our tone, which tells how do you feel about that topic, right? And that is called the tone of the topic, right? And the speech is expression or the ability to express thoughts and feelings by articulating sounds. Now you see, one is writing and one is speaking. And today we are going to merge both. Means by looking at the picture, we will think what the person is speaking and we'll write it. We'll give the words to that thought, right? And for communication purpose and to stay within context, understanding and use of correct vocabulary and expression is important. This is very important, my dear children, because what we are expressing, for that, if we are not using correct words, we are not applying proper vocabulary, the expression may go wrong. Means we want to say, for example, we want to say it in a soft way, but we have not selected correct word, it can become a harsh word. That's why our words, our vocabulary should be very appropriate. And the way, now look at the way, there is no word, but the body language of this person is telling that he is guiding. Please come inside. This is how the expression of your body, the expression, the way you communicate, likewise you can write, okay? There are more examples. Let me explain it further. Look at these two children. They are playing and their expression is telling that they are happily playing, right? This expression, if we want to express in words, we should use happy words. Now look at these children. They are not happy. So when we are expressing their feelings, we have to use words which show, which express their unhappiness. Do you understand? That's why we'll look at the picture and we'll find out what that person might be feeling or thinking. Likewise, now they are exchanging gifts. They are in happy environment. And here they are little notorious. So this is how different expressions, the way our face, our words have different expressions. Likewise, when we are writing, we have to use different words to express that particular situation. Do you understand? Okay, let's practice it through an activity. So this activity is in your book. First, we'll do its first part, and then inshallah, we'll do its second part. What the first part means, question number 8 is demanding from you. You will draw 2 columns on the paper. One column should be titled as food items and other as decoration materials. So first you will list these things. Make a list of these items you want at your birthday party. For example, you are arranging your birthday party, you will make a list. Now write few sentences, 7 to 8, how you want to celebrate your birthday. You see, now you are going to celebrate your birthday, so express your feelings through sentences. And you will check the tone because it's a happy occasion, so you will use exciting words and vocabulary and style of expression appropriate for communication, right? So this is how you will complete this task. And the task 2, again from the same scenario, now you are going to feel that you are practically going to do it. So there are characters who is saying what and who is feeling what. You have to write in speech bubbles, right? So pause the video, complete these 2 activities, and then come back. Yes, my dear children, are you done with it? Good, you are smart. It's time for your homework. You will list words related to nature, and from these words write a short paragraph, 5 to 6 sentences about nature using correct tone, vocabulary, and expressions, right? And I'm giving you a worksheet, my dear fellow teachers. This worksheet, lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation, links are given. You may click it, download it, and kindly provide a printed worksheet to students for practice. And my dear children, what you are going to do, once again, look at this picture and fill the speech bubble, how they are feeling, all right? So for both pictures, you will complete this bubble, speech bubble. So what we have learned today, we learned to classify items, for example, vocabulary required for a given task or topic, write short text in speech bubbles, and cartoon strips using vocabulary, tone, style of expression appropriate to communicative purpose and context. So in this way, we achieved our SLOs to classify items, for example, vocabulary required for a given task or topic, write short text in speech bubbles and cartoon strips using vocabulary, tone, style of expression appropriate to the communicative purpose and context. Are we done with it? Yes. So that's it for today. Tomorrow I'll come again with a very interesting lesson. Till that time, keep learning, keep practicing. Take very good care of yourself and the people around you. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.